the Vuka Photo Outserve Show namhlanje siqalisa with incredible news. Silobaba lapha who is walking all the way to Harare. Uqalisa namhla iwalk yakhe iqala lapha on the Vuka Breakfast Show, and we're so proud of that. Just Zambiza Masinyane during the Vuka Photo Outserve Show. So uhle wabuya la khathesi indoda yeHarare. Baba, uright ekhanda uwalk useHarare.
You're right, Gaku.
Right. Why are you walking to Harare?
I'm working to Harare to promote awareness around the issues of cultural diversity in Zimbabwe, the multi-tribal composition of our country.
Okay.
Was culture and Mina as a person is something that is dear to me with the pride that I have for Windebele.
So, right. Yeah. Who are you?
Ningutabo Sizi.
Yeah. How have you ended up in this position?
I ended up in this position having come a long way, trying to find myself in terms of an identity. Over the past many years, I've been involved in many programs that have to do with promoting multiculturalism, the awareness, the acceptance of diversity, to create a dialogue or to promote a conversation. So it is not necessarily that matters more than the conversations that will happen as I walk from here to Harare. And I've got two very strong gentlemen with me, Uzenzo Siziba and Obukosi Maposa Ubiko, that will be joining me to create that strong force of a trio.
All right, so Ubiko, he's walked to Harare before to create consciousness how Harare stations are not playing Bulawayo music, but hashtag now that this guy's metro. We don't need their stations to play our music anymore. So your resource person is basically Pico. Pico, if you can just come to the mic really quickly. Yeah, love. Baba Mapos, wow, the last time you walked to Harare, how long ago was that?
4 years ago.
4 years ago?
Yeah.
And how long did it take you to get to Harare?
It took us 6 days.
6 days?
Yeah.
Walker?
Yeah.
All the way. What was it like though?
It was an eye-opening experience. Like I say, the discovery of self is usually a very long journey. But I feel like that I've discovered my purpose in life, and people who also have a similar purpose or a certain calling, without a doubt, yeah, that's why I'm here.
Okay. Big up, Pico. Okay. Big up, Pico.
Back.
madodana ugatsheni kuyabinyatha indlovu ezadekayo selabelusi ugatsheni umelusi ya namvela khona leli bhani
asikhuliseni umthakazo
asikhuliseni umthakazo abantu abazazi
abazazi
siyazihambela nje siyenzowethu yizwa siyabonga
hayi kunjani.
Special
Sorry, Mama, to wake you up for
Just siyabuya ngasibuye ngene sizadlula sithi baba.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Ufambe muthi.
Hey.
Mara kuka.
Hayi.
All right.
Say something, Baba. What can you tell us today?
Everyone, we are still the greatest trio of Mtwara's nation. So today we slept here. It's about 20 k's out of Kweru, and we have Mr. Sheki there, our driver. Yeah. So
Morning.
we got some beautiful reception here from our great mother who is in the house there. This is where we slept, and we are now waking up in the morning, continuing with our journey, hoping to reach somewhere around the Kwekwe area. And that's the experience of building our culture, building our heritage, the importance of our tribes, the importance of Mtwarazi, the importance of every single nation and everyone knowing who they really are, and everyone respecting, each other and respecting everyone else. Vuka Mtwarazi, Vuka Mtwarazi. Siyabonga. Thank you.
Okay.
maybe 440. 440.
Since when?
Since last Friday.
Last Friday.
Last Friday.
Yeah.
Okay.
How many days?
9 days.
9 days.
Yes,
And we are going back.
we're going back.
Yeah. So maybe by Christmas Day, we expect that we'll be there. Yeah. So when we go, we talk to people, and then they say, okay, come and sleep inside my house. We sleep inside my house. Nice people around. Yesterday we slept in Chekudu. The other day we slept in Kado. That are walking from Bulawayo to Harare.
Oh,
Yeah, and then coming back again.
again.
Yeah,
So I together then.
we're together.
Yeah.
You.
So when we come back, we'll see you.
We'll see. Every day together we just walk at it.
Uh-huh.
Which one? Where are you guys walking?
They're going to Skotin.
That's what we do.
That's the spirit we want.
That's what you want.
That's the
Yeah.
spirit we
That's the
want.
spirit you want.
Yeah.
A true ZANU-PF.
Yeah. Oh no, one Zimbabwe, all of us united for one purpose.
We have paid our respects at the Heroes Eka. We visited the, the resting places of some of the heroes of the war veterans, veteran forces, in particular the Zipra forces, and the Sivagachele. Lapho kulele khona uNikita Mangena, savakatshela lapho kulele khona uJoshua, Dr. Mqabuko Nkomo, and savakatshela lapho kulele khona amanye amaqhawe awama-Zipra forces. Sisiyawahlonipha njalo sisiyawabonga ngakho konke abasenzela khona thina njengabantwana besizwe sikaMthwakazi belwela inkululeko yethu. And there is still a lot more work to be done. There is still a lot more work to be done in as far as freedom and making sure that the path that they paved for us to be where we are today is indeed refined to a better, to put us in a much better situation in terms of freedom. Okwamanje sila independence, but the freedom is still questionable. So, Batwagazi, this is where we are today. And to the rest of Zimbabwe, we are preaching diversity. We are preaching, acceptance of multiculturalism, multi-tribal, awareness, and we want everybody to understand ukuthi ungubani sifuna abantu bonke bazigqaje ngobuyibo babo throughout the nation, the country of Zimbabwe. And most importantly, recognizing and acknowledging the fact that ilizwe leli laseZimbabwe thina abanye siyazi ukuthi lavela laqalwa ngonyathelo elingayisilo unyathelo lokuthi bakhona abazancindezelwa kusiya phambili babe khona abazabusa, and that's the type of attitude, or that's the type of foundation that must be dismantled to fix this country. This is a country that, when it gained its independence in 1980, could have, had an arrangement made for an equal and proper sharing of power and control between Isizwe Skamtwagazi, Lesizwe Sasemashonaland. But unfortunately, that did not happen. And what we are saying today is that that must be fixed.
What message do you have to the youth, Mr. Caesar?
The most important message that I have for the youth is it's very, very important for the youth of this country to begin to identify with their roots. I think that is the one thing where we have lost a lot. Identifying with your roots means knowing where you come from. This country is a country that is comprising or composed of two nations historically. And what we have been told is that the nations Ndebele and Shona, or what we know, which is the fact, is that the nations Ndebele and Shona. But again, there is multiple tribes within those two nations. And it is very important for the youth to gain that pride within themselves, to know where they belong within these nations, and then to respect other people coming from other cultures and spread that diversity, that diversity of culture, that diversity of tribal belonging, embracing what other people are. And that way we can be proud of our Zimbabwe. And then to the youth again, I want to say education is prime because from the roots that make you proud of who you are, you want to then get educated to get to the next level of life. And that is what is most important.
Thank you so much, sir. We thank you so much. So basically, they have walked from Kobulawayo up to Harare. As you can see, celebrating our cultural tribal diversity in Zimbabwe. So this is the 9th day. Nine days.
I don't think so. I don't think you're correct when you say the divide into tribes. Because if you talk of Shona and Ndebele, these are not tribes. These are a collection of tribes.
They speak different languages, don't they?
They speak different languages. There may be a variation of languages, but it is not correct to say Shona and Ndebele are two tribes.
Hello guys. Kadilabo lizana. Queen. Alright. Mana ngenso nezetuzana ke ngubonke kwintombazana. Yeah. Alright. Sheikh, Mr. Sheikh. You are holding what?
Insurance matamba.
Alright.
Hayi. Umkemezwana so matamba.
Khathi yona udli mtala?
Mina kasama.
Alright, aqathekile. Hayi. Ikudlo ongasekho la?
Abangekweduze bayaphuthela. Ukuvuselela umthwakazi. Ifani kamthwakazi, inotho kamthwakazi.
Likuthethe nga?
Egangeni khathi kuthola.
Alright. Bathi bakuthethe egangeni angazi ukuthi ya mbona ni bangene phakathi kwala. La uyakwanisa ungena phakathi mthwakazi vuka mthwakazi yeke into zakho zokuthenga. Kasonto zokuthenga lezi into zokuthatha egangeni for free.
Ezokukhe egangeni.
Selikhala ukuthi amashona lindezela. Amashona thengisa amkebe swatha. Nalethine kuzothatha egangeni mahara.
Awundi umkhezana.
I'm Tadeo Kodis. Pico, my man. Yeah.
ngasidle ezinanda kukhona umsobha simsobho futhi bathwakazi sesivela khona eHarare okuyakhuluma ngemashona lena siyitshela ngemthwakazi ukuthi imthwakazi sivuke sizazivusa
so lapha theleke thathe kuyi-rest la ndisidla imkhemeswane
rest lapha sidla inotho yethu yegama imkhemeswane sidla lo mthundulo kafuthi ngale phansi
hey hayi gange elihle shem le
bekwenzeni asazi umnangakho kumbe namhlubhizi uyayikhangela ilokho zeni i-petition yethu phela izolo simnika i-petition umnangakho sigqoke amabheji sinje so sivungule bekunzima
exactly unite so it can't be united if singazivani bona zinto fangakuthi kachiyo i-one inini neiva kwese tikazivana zvakanaka imimi mo respect a culture yanga inini ndo respect aochi culture kuti imi kana mune mafunctions zenu mondi-invite awo ndouya ndo appreciate kuti wow iva vari kuita so mona ndobvunza the same question you asked me kuti which mind made you to think about this what made me to think about this is that I want people to know who they are so that Shona, the people from Shonaland, they will respect people from where? Exact, and you know it, from Matibelian. And our equal rights may be what? May be respected. So, you all know about Zimbabwe, I can right. And I'm not coming in. But do you want to like other culture? But you must fara ere ku fara zumwe zvangu vanhu. No, fara chi. In the bush that I don't fara chi. Asi ndiri kubvunza mubvunzo mudiki kuti kana zvakadai so muZimbabwe zvinhu zviri right pamwe. Pandiri. Indifara zvazvira. Zvakama mupenyu. Fara mwangu mwani mati. Ndika masikano zvakasara. Andika. Shandinoda nemoyo wangu. Andika mandozva. Ndo moyo wangu andika. Ndika zvai vanozotaiwa apo muzaita ose zvazvo. Zvashaikwa sine chingadesi my question is, are you liking the life that you are living? No. Exactly. So if you're not liking, what's happening for you to like that life you're not living? But the simple thing is, you are supposed to love other culture. You see, Nini, Dirim Twagas, Ndebele, and I want you to like me as much as you want me to like you. And you must understand who I am, so that I can understand who you are. You are not special than me. I'm special, very special, and you are also special. Okay, that's all. That's the message that we spread.
So have you ever heard about the Mtwagas?
Mtwagas?
Yeah. On the Ndebele nation.
Yeah.
You know Ndebele, you know, you've heard about Kukrahundi, but you're surprised about it.
I'm very
Why?
You know, we are smart. We are citizens.
Yeah.
So so you know, I'm so very
worried about the Kukrahundi issue.
The way I'm not around, but when I listen the
stories,
history, you know, the history about Kukrahundi.
Yeah.
Just the same way.
Yeah.
Just like in Thailand.
Yeah.
So there is some people who kill
linjani?
Siyaphila ngithanda ukuthi sibonga ngumdala ngumdala ubani Gibson Mabuka kade sihamba ngale eHarare wasinika isinkwa lochago. Now we are going back koBulawayo. Siya appreciate kakhulu umsebenzi nomkhulu.
And sisekwekho.
Umthwakazi uyakhike ube mutsha. Yikho lapho sikhona ekhwekwe lapho esiyamukela khona isipho esiqhamukileyo.
Yeah. Kumnandi ukuba lindebe. Siyabonga. Yes.
So yiko kuyenza ukuthi nami ngithabe kakhulu
yikho. Hayi siyabonga isupport yonke selisinike yona mjani. Yeah.
These are our heroes. They live
Uhambo lolu besilubiza ngetitle ukuthi My Mthwakazi Masebenzini Walk of Freedom. And sisithi my because each and every walker or member of the walk okade elilunga or who had participated in the walk ube participate ku-walk leyo on an individual basis ewuzizwa yena ubuthwakazi bakhe ewuzizwa yena ubundebele bakhe. And then what we did is we decided ukuthi singene iganga leli lonke lokusuka koBulawayo sisiya Harare ngenyawo sihamba sifundisa abantu kumbe ngithi sikhuluma labantu nge-importance lokuqakatheka kwe-cultural diversity noku-embrace amanye ama-ethnicities kumbe amanye ama-tribes ukwamukela amanye ama-tribes njengesizwe sikaMthwakazi or njengelizwe laseZimbabwe. And then enye into futhi ebesiyiqakathekisa endleleni lapho besihamba khona ukuxoxa labantu ngenhlonipho esipho amaqhawe ethu asilwela inkululeko elizwe laseZimbabwe ama-Zipra Forces njengoba liwabona lapha libona lapha kubhaliwe silamanye ama-cadres akade lathi mzwana sisuka and then abanye bakhona lapho Bobonamba ngama-ex-Zipra Forces and then and then lapana kukhulunywa again nge-celebration of cultural diversity but into eqakathekileyo kakhulu besihamba sikhuluma labantu different races, different tribes esifundisa abantu ngokuthi Zimbabwe is a very diverse country and a very important country that we all own equally, and ilizwe that comes out of a formation of two nations. Into kanenge esingayikhulumiyo njalo esingayichazelwayo esingayifundelwayo ukuthi iZimbabwe yiMashonaland leMthwakazi whether abantu bayafuna or kabafuni. And iMashonaland leMthwakazi injalo we can all live in harmony. iMashonaland as a nation with its multiple tribes, iMthwakazi layo isizwe samaNdebele as a nation with its multiple tribes kunjalo. Sifike eHarare we were received with amazing grace from community yase Harare besihamba kubo First Street eHarare lapana we ended up running away from the crowds. Safike Kadoma, people were supporting us in finance, along the way. People were, supporting us. In busy places where we slept. We had no arrangement. So besilale emzini yabantu right from Entabazinduna kubo Mbembesi kubo Kwekwe kubo Gweru kuba ngaphi bekusithi la nganxa selisiyathona sokusiba mnyama we just find the nearest village, get into the nearest home. That's how we tested the might of this nation, Lobuntu Babantu, that we came across throughout the country, right up to Sesefili Harare and Sesipendula Futikwe, same thing. So sesihlanyelile thina intanga eyokuthi umthwakazi as the focus nation njengoba thina singabathwakazi siqhakathekisa ngobuyithi bethu. Now we are giving the challenge of spreading the challenge to everyone else within umthwakazi and also within other nations njengoba sisho ukuthi we are a diverse country with diverse cultures and diverse ethnicities ukuthi abanye abantu laba baziqhakathekisa at the same time beqhakathekisa everybody else around them uyibo babo. So yilo thina sibonga kakhulu support isitholileyo bese abakade belalela abo Radio Metro abo Studio 7 besisemoyeni pretty much almost every day we were on radio updating the country and the world on where we were, what we were doing, where we were sleeping, sharing pictures. Kuma Facebook ungahamba kathesi ku internet and you search my Mthwakazi Mahlabezulu Walk, you'll find it on Facebook. It's there. And good Twitter, where it may be even under my name, you can find it. But good Facebook, there are so many, pictures and so many videos about this trip that have happened. This gentleman here is an author, 17-year-old, latest published author in Zimbabwe Lapa. He's written 3 books. He's right now going to be publishing or writing a book again related to this entire walk. Last week, 4 weeks ago, before we left, even at the launch Yamakuba as at NCC, and there was over 200 people that came, including our government officials that came to witness the launch of his books, a publisher. So this is the potential of Umthwakazi. So Layube represent, and then we've got an artist who Yana Lapanala is a musician, and he was representing the music industry as well. He has done a similar work before, one way, as so this time, last time, so this is what I can share with everyone, and thank you very much, Longeli Lapa, for coming to witness this amazing place as he experience. Since we are going to sleep. Yes.
This work wasn't going to be successful. Shaky and Umoyo, they did a very great work towards transporting of the food and clothes and other things. Thank you very everyone. And we also like to thank Ahmad Donations. You guys were great to us. We salute you.
Thank you. Those are 2 very important gentlemen that were part of the logistics. And then gentlemen and ladies, this man here, our first night Entabazinduna. This is the gentleman that made a decision for us to sleep somewhere. So something which is from Norway, Sangene David Livingstone, some Victor like Papa Sunday, I said a la Pesara la Pona, what was that? So we and then going from Emmanuel. Actually, he walked probably more than 300 kilometers because we finished it in Nimotai. In a sense of focus, and then he's the one that provided even medical aid. This is the one that was helping us. Better team, bandage to heal us and so forth. So it was an amazing team of 5 men. Behamba, Kulisa is Israel, and and all the other nations embraced in as well. Thank you.
Sesihamba. Hey, salani livusa umthwakazi. Bye bye.